Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that will elevate your event experience, whether it's a Halloween party, a theatrical performance, or a dance floor extravaganza. We're talking about the VIRFUN Fog Machine Remote Control Replacement Part and Receiver, which is undoubtedly the best fog machine timer control with a 3-pin connection. If you're tired of fumbling with manual controls and want a seamless fog experience, stick around as we explore its features, usability, and how it can enhance your fog machine setup. The VIRFUN Fog Machine Remote Control is designed for use with 400 and 500-watt fog machines. Its standout feature is the universal 3-pin XLR interface, ensuring compatibility with various fog and smoke machines. This means you don't have to worry about purchasing a new fog machine just to use this remote. It's essential to note that this remote isn't a DMX adapter, but it does support 2 and 3 channel connections, which provides versatility in how you manage your fog machine. What truly sets this product apart is its radio frequency technology. Operating on a 315 MHz frequency, this remote allows you to control your fog machine from up to 45 feet away, making it perfect for larger spaces. Imagine being able to create atmospheric fog effects without having to be physically near the machine. Now that's convenience. Using the VIRFUN remote is incredibly straightforward. It features 2 main keys, on and off, allowing for simple and effective control. The remote also includes a unique locking mechanism that eliminates the need to press the button repeatedly. Once you press it, you can let the machine do its thing, filling the room with fog without continuous intervention. For those who enjoy a bit of flair, this remote supports RF LED lights, giving you the option to choose from a selection of 13 colors and 4 special effects. If your fog machine is equipped with lighting functions, you can synchronize your fog output with stunning light displays, enhancing the overall visual experience. Before purchasing, ensure your fog machine is compatible. The VIRFUN remote is specifically designed for machines operating at the same signal frequency and configuration. If your fog machine is compatible, installation is a breeze. Simply connect the receiver to your fog machine using the provided 3-pin connection, and you're ready to start creating mesmerizing fog effects. In conclusion, the VIRFUN Fog Machine Remote Control Replacement Part and Receiver is a fantastic addition to any fog machine setup. With its ease of use, impressive range, and compatibility with various machines, it transforms the way you control fog effects at your events. No more running back and forth or struggling with manual controls. This remote gives you the freedom to manage your atmosphere seamlessly and effectively. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're looking to enhance your fog machine experience, consider giving this remote a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. Until next time, keep creating memorable experiences with the right tools at your disposal.